Imagine turning back your biological clock by 30 years with just a click of a button. Sounds like science fiction, right? Well, it's not. It's the latest news coming from the world of regenerative medicine. Researchers have found a way to use Yamanaka factors to age someone 30 years biologically younger in just 5 days. The study was published in the journal Nature, and the results are nothing short of astounding. But what exactly is the Yamanaka factor and how does it work? To put it simply, the Yamanaka factors are 4 proteins that can turn back the age of your cells. They were discovered in 2006 by Japanese scientist Shinya Yamanaka, who won the Nobel Prize for this discovery. Normally, as we age, our cells go through a process called senescence where they stop dividing and start to die. This is what causes the wrinkles, age spots, and other signs of aging that we all dread. But Yamanaka found a way to reverse this process by using a cocktail of 4 proteins that could turn back the age of a cell by several years. In the new study, researchers used a genetically engineered version of these proteins that could be turned on and off at will. They applied these proteins to mice for 5 days and then turned them off. After just 5 days, the old cells were rejuvenated and began to look and act like young cells again. But that's not all. The rejuvenated cells also had fewer signs of age-related diseases, such as cancer and heart disease, and when the researchers looked at the blood vessels in the mice, they found that the older mice had thicker, stiffer arteries, while the younger mice had thinner, more flexible arteries. After just 5 days of treatment with the Yamanaka factors, the arteries in the old mice became thinner and more flexible too. The researchers were so excited about their results that they decided to try it on human cells as well. They took skin cells from people in their 70s and 82nd and then exposed them to the Yamanaka factors. After just 5 days, the cells looked and acted like they were decades younger. So how does this work on a cellular level? As cells age, they accumulate a lot of damage in their DNA. This damage causes the cells to stop dividing and eventually die. But the Yamanaka factors seem to have a way of repairing this damage, which allows the cells to divide and function normally again. Another thing that happens as we age is that our cells become less efficient at using energy. This is because the mitochondria, which are the powerhouses of the cell, become damaged over time, but the Yamanaka factors appear to be able to repair the mitochondria, allowing the cells to use energy more efficiently. There are also some genes that become active as we age, and these genes are called senescence-associated genes or SAGs. These genes contribute to the hallmarks of aging by altering the cell's behavior and promoting the aging process. Yamanaka factors have been shown to silence these genes, slowing down the aging process. Now, you might be wondering if this means that we've found the fountain of youth. Unfortunately, I wouldn't quite say that yet. While the Yamanaka factors have shown some incredible anti-aging effects in mice and human cells, we don't know how long these effects will last. It's possible that once you stop applying the Yamanaka factors, the aging process will simply resume as before. Another concern is that by turning back the age of a cell, you could potentially make it more vulnerable to diseases that affect young people, such as cancer. The researchers did find that the Yamanaka factors did increase the risk of cancer in mice, but they also found that this risk could be mitigated by using a modified version of the factors that could be turned off after 5 days. So what does this all mean for us regular folks? Well, I think it is safe to say that we won't be seeing any anti-aging creams or pills that contain the Yamanaka factors anytime soon. The technology to produce these factors is still in its infancy, and there is a lot of safety concerns that need to be addressed first. However, this discovery has important implications for the field of regenerative medicine. The Yamanaka factors may one day be used to treat age-related diseases or even help people live longer, healthier lives. What do you think of this amazing discovery? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this one. Thanks for watching. See you next time.